Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by enabling iCloud Drive so your files sync across devices. Open System Settings, tap Apple ID, and sign in if required. Once signed in, turn on iCloud Drive, and if you want desktop and document syncing, enable that checkbox. This moves local files into iCloud for access on other devices. Make sure your Mac has enough free space and check storage usage. If you hit limits, upgrade your plan so syncs don't stall. Now move to organizing folders and sync rules. Once iCloud Drive is active, you need a reliable organization method. In Finder, open iCloud Drive and drag folders or files there. That creates live copies in the cloud. Use descriptive folder names and smart folders to surface recent or tagged items quickly. Make sure to set Optimize Mac Storage if you want Mac OS to offload older files automatically, or choose to keep originals when you need offline access. If you move large folders, give the system time to upload and verify progress in Finder's status bar. To finish, learn sharing and recovery workflows so you feel confident. Select a file in Finder, choose Share to invite collaborators or copy a link. Permissions let you control editing. If you accidentally delete something, go to iCloud. Com or Finder's recently deleted to restore within 30 days. If syncing stops or files show cloud icons with errors, restart Finder, verify your internet, and sign out of Apple ID, then sign back in. Re-enabling iCloud Drive forces a fresh sync. That usually clears most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.